This shower curtain designed with split rings that let you hang them easily. No need to buy hooks and no need to remove the rod. Package included: 1 shower curtain and 1 fabric snap-on replacement liner. A clear window along the top lets light in and allows you to see out while maintaining privacy. Hotel quality. The shower curtain and liner are made with high-quality fabric, 200 GSM heavy weight to keep it in place. Water repellent treatment can repel the water inside tub. Measures. 71 width by 74 length fits your standard-sized bathroom. Snap-in liner is 70 by 54, WXL. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly fast and convenient. Love the color. Was easy to work with. Great material, the magnets do work and serves its purpose to keep the liner in. We are so happy to have found this, because we've recently moved and wasn't prepared to have shower rods that are not standard size in diameter, so the no hooks helps a lot and is very convenient and doesn't take too much time to hang compared to having to individually put the hooks, liner and curtain on separately.